Hey guys, Drew with the Lone Wolf. We're here today checking out a couple of new products from PNW Components. We've got their updated Rainier dropper post and the new Loam lever. The Loam lever is something that PNW Components is really excited about. It's available for $69 in 3 colors, gray, orange, or teal. And as of right now, they've only got a direct bar mount option. However, a Shimano and SRAM options are going to be available very soon. So let's open this thing up and see what it's about. So PNW Components was hoping to achieve a few things when they were designing this lever. They wanted something that was going to be comfortable to use, reliable, durable, and just generally a icing on the cake when it came to the dropper post experience, rather than just an afterthought of what makes your post work. So just by holding it in the hand, it feels like a really nice piece. This rubber injection unit here is definitely soft and grippy, and it's a fully CNC'd body. Stainless steel hardware is used throughout. There's also a high quality oversized sealed bearing that is used, which is going to keep out all elements if you're washing the bike, riding through mud, whatever. So this is something that's definitely going to last you a while. Feels nice, and we're really excited actually to see how it works with the cable hooked up and actuating a post. Let's take a look at the updated Rainier dropper post. This retails for $199. Is available in 125, 150, and 170 millimeter drops. Looks like it comes with all necessary mounting hardware, cable housing, etc. So some of the new features for the updated post are a larger diameter stanchion. It's going to improve stiffness and again, longevity of the post. A new DU bushing, which is going to help minimize any of that side-to-side play or rocking that you might get. There's also a new updated cartridge design, and PNW Components maintains their 3-year warranty on their post. Alright guys, so that's the new Loam lever and Rainier dropper post from PNW Components. Now we're going to go ahead and pick a bike, have fun routing this internal dropper post housing, and put some miles on the products and see how they do. So stay tuned for a full review on thelonewolf.com, and check out pnwcomponents.com for info on their products.